In this demo, we'll show you how to connect Ecogate Smart Gates in the daisy chain configuration. We start with two cables, one incoming from the previous gate and another outgoing to the next gate in the chain. Using double ferrules, we connect the positive 24-volt DC, negative 24-volt DC, negative Modbus, and positive Modbus wires. Double ferrules ensure secure and reliable connections for each wire. Notice how the shielding is maintained throughout the daisy chain. The shield is crimped together, ensuring it doesn't directly connect to the gate, which helps prevent electromagnetic interference. All these connections utilize double ferrules, making it easy to attach them to the same terminal. On this side, you'll see the Modbus wires labeled B and A. On the opposite side, we have the 24-volt DC power connections, clearly marked as plus and minus. Remember to secure the cables with a zip tie to prevent tugging. Additionally, ensure that the cable shield ground does not come into contact with the metal enclosure. This helps maintain signal integrity and avoids potential ground loops. If this gate is part of a daisy chain, you do not need to install a terminating resistor here. And this is how to connect a smart gate in the daisy chain configuration.